Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to cook for you raviolo. That's one great big raviolo, and in that I'm going to do ricotta cheese, smoked salmon, some paprika, and I'm going to serve it with a nice spicy red pepper sauce. So watch along and let's see how we do. See you in a minute. For the raviolo you want to start by making the sauce. I used a Thermomix to blend everything together, but you can use any food processor you've got. Start by adding garlic, smoked salmon, pepper, salt and lemon juice, sugar, a tin of tomatoes and chili flakes. Blend all these lovely ingredients together until they resemble a sauce-like texture. After the base of the sauce is made, add olive oil to a pan followed by the sauce. You want to heat this up so it's ready for later when you plate up your dish. For the raviolo, you're going to need to make your own pasta. It's very easy. You just need a little bit of time and care. We've made lots of videos about how to make pasta, so click the link below in the bio and find out how. I added sage to the pasta. I thought it would be a nice touch and it added a lovely layer of flavour. Next, add ricotta cheese and sage into a bowl. Mix them together until they become one. Add this mixture into a piping bag and get ready for the next step. Pipe a neat circle onto your pasta. I made 3, but you can make as many as you want. After adding 1 layer of cheese, add your smoked salmon filling, followed by another layer of cheese. This will act like a wall so the egg yolk doesn't slip away. Next step, cut up the top of your ravioli with a chef's ring. Once done, wash the base with some water or egg and then gently place your egg yolk on top of the salmon. Gently place the top layer on and then get ready to cook. Boil some water and salt and then add your raviolo and cook for 3 minutes. Plate up by adding a base layer of sauce to a bowl and then your raviolo on top. All you have to do now is sit down and enjoy it. Let me know in the comments how you got on. Hello, welcome back. Right, well that's the finished article. It's a lovely raviolo, single ravioli, and it's got a nice runny egg in there, beautiful red pepper sauce, served up with some chives and some sage leaves, and it tastes very nice. I've made these before. Making 3 of them and we'll serve them up and eat them later. Please follow along and like and subscribe, and thanks Jack for your filming and editing, and I'll see you all again next week for another video. Bye.